I'm Chuck with Fuller Ford. We've been your commercial dealer for decades now. I just want to make you aware of something that we do here on site. Obviously, we've ordered your municipality vehicles in the past. These are cruisers. We actually do the upfitting on site now. All the lights, the center consoles, everything you see on this vehicle, we upfitted here. 3-stage lighting. Obviously, your spotlight, the center console, the laptop. We even do stuff as sophisticated as the K9 units. You can see the fan here. The dog is back there. It has automatic sensors when it gets hot out. The fan will spin on. We got a remote for the door. Show you on the other side that we can open on command. The officer can open on command. In the back, we got a gun vault, lockable drawers. Lights all across the back. So this is that automatic door. If need to be, hit the remote, door pops open. All that done on site with Fuller Ford. Give us a call on your next bid, or if you need the upfitting, you can give us a call on that too. We do both.